Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa President William Ruto kuheana ndumiriri kuri bururi na gucora mbica ya kuonania ati bururi ni ukinyoketie makinya maria magirire, mwena wa mung'ethaniro witikitie bururi urorete kuhaguka kumana na uria uratwarithio na mbere ni thirikari. Mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga ugite ati kuringithania na ihinda ta riri mwaka muthiru bururi uronekana guthie urikite irima-ini ria moritu matiganite, akigweta kwa muhiano wa Kenya aria moritwo ni mawira kumana na uritu wa gibiacara uria ucungiriirio ni mitaratara ya magoti iria yarirwo ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Are you better off today than you were at this time last year? The answer will be obvious, that we are in a deep hole. There is a devastating loss of trust and confidence in our economy, our financial markets and our government. We are caught in a cycle where reduced spending power leads to loss of jobs.
Kuringana na Raila, njira nene ya kuonania ati mitaratara ya magoti ndiraruta wira guku bururi-ini ni gukorwo ati ona ruhonge rwa kungania magoti KRA rutinakinyaniria muoroto wa mbeca iria rwatanyite kungania gicunjĩ-ini kia mbere kia mwaka uyu wa kigina, na moritu matiganite maria magomeire bururi-ini matigite ya Kenya mari na wagagu wigie rucio rwa bururi ruhana atia.
According to the CBK survey, more than a quarter of chief executives expect to cut jobs before the end of the year because of increased operating costs and softening demand for goods and services, setting up families for a gloomy festivities period. The fact is, many Kenyans are both anxious and uncertain of what the future holds.
Akiheana ndumiriri yake kuri bururi, President Ruto ni arahinyiriirie bata wa mitaratara iria yarirwo ni thirikari kugeria kwarahura utonga wa bururi, akiuga ati bururi wari irima-ini iriku agiuka kuoya wathani, na ningi akira Kenya ati kwarahura utonga wa bururi ni undu urabatara a Kenya kugatha mucibi.
The current regime is changing tax policy frequently, mismanaging the shilling and weakening economic growth. Kenyans are ditching mobile payments. Fuel consumption fell rapidly between January and June, dropping to the lowest levels in the more than 5 years.
No ari njira ya kwehereria muingi murigo wa iguru wa ngarama ya muturire, Raila ni andikithitie gatagati ka maundu mangi bajeti ya bururi nyihio na ciringi birioni 500, magoti ma maguta manyihio, thirikari yaramie neti yayo kuri ithabu ria andu aria marihaga magoti, ithenya-ini ria kuongerera magoti kuri aria nini marariha, maundu maria arauga ni eranĩire ni Mwangi ekire korwo ni agire na kanya ga gwathana.
Kenya Kwanza telling us affordable housing. What the fellows have put together what they could afford, and you destroy it, and you are telling them affordable housing?
In the wake of the Finance Act of 2023, we warned that no nation can ever tax its citizens into prosperity. We are concerned that it is getting too late to change the course. We fear that consequences of the foundation laid in the first year of this administration could linger for years if nothing is done.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa gwiciria.